are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you yummy Indian sweet recipe Semiya Payasam Bambino. We use vermicelli to make this very simple to make, very tasty. Do try it my way and see if you like it. So let's go and see how to make this yummy sweet, and before that don't forget to check out other yummy Indian sweet recipes available on my channel. Link will be in the description box below. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Now let's go and see this yummy vermicelli payasam or Semiya Payasam recipe, which is very easy to make yet very tasty. Bye. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make Semiya Payasam. Milk, sugar, Semiya. I'm taking 1 glass of Semiya. So 1 cup of same quantity of sugar and 1.5 cup of milk and 1.5 cup of water. This is a measurement. And 15 to 20 raisins and 15 to 20 cashews, 2 cardamoms and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. This is what we require. So now let's make our tasty Semiya Payasam. Pan is hot. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You don't need much. To mix Semiya Payasam, this ghee should be enough. You don't need to use any more ghee. You have to use ghee. It will taste better than oil. Now we are going to do our raisins. Once the ghee is hot, add your raisins. It will not take much time to fry them though, so keep an eye. Grab a spoon and let them puff up, and we'll take them out and put in our cashews. See how beautifully they puffed up. We'll take it out and put our cashews in. Add your cashews and they have to brown up, so keep a close eye and let them brown. Now on low heat we are going to add our vermicelli. I'm using 1 cup as I told you. Nicely on low heat, let it brown up a little bit. Nicely brown out. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. So do it slowly, don't hurry up. You can see it's a little bit browned up and ready for water. Increase the heat to medium and add 1 1/4 cup of water. Quarter cup, and we are going to let it boil and let it cook nicely until vermicelli is thoroughly cooked. It will take around 5 minutes. Keep the lid on and let the vermicelli cook. Look how nicely it's boiling. In the middle, keep mixing and keep checking whether the vermicelli is perfectly cooked or not. Let's check to see if the vermicelli is done or not by breaking it and seeing it. Just take one and you will know. Be careful, it's breaking perfectly, so it's done. At this stage we are going to add our sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Reduce the quantity if you don't like so much of sugar. We like sugar equal quantity. If you like less, just reduce the amount to 3/4 cup or even half cup. So let it boil for a minute and then it's ready for our milk. It's been a minute. Let's add our milk. Around 1 to 2 cups should be enough. Depending on how loose you want or how you want, adjust the milk quantity. Minimum is 1 cup. I am adding 1/3 cups for my consistency. It needs to come to a little boil. That's it, and our vermicelli will be ready. Let it boil for again 1 minute, should be good enough. We'll keep the lid on and let it boil. Milk came to a slight boil. At this stage, we are going to add our nuts, and crushed cardamom. Two cardamom crushed, and mix it once. And let it come to a nice boil, and then we can off the stove. Payasam will thicken up as it sits at the room temperature. So keep in mind when you are adding that in milk, you don't want too thick of a payasam. So I add extra milk so that it will be nice and loose. It will taste good when it is cold or hot. Anyway you serve it, it will taste awesome. So let it boil for a minute, and then before offing, I'll show you again. This is it. Our yummy tasty Semiya Payasam is ready. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. And if you do like my videos, please do subscribe so that you can see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back with a new video next time. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.